As the world's leading access equipment company, JLG Telehandlers strive to deliver innovative and quality machines. Today, I would like to show you the brand new rental spec series telehandlers of JLG, the 3614 RS and the 4017 RS construction power shift models, offering a lift height of 14 meters and 17 meters and a maximum load capacity of 3.6 and 4 tons. The RS series have been designed especially for the rental market. These machines allow the end users to maneuver in the toughest of job site conditions by combining a proven powertrain design with an industry-leading turning radius. So, let us take a look at these two new models. We'll start at the front. Here, we clearly notice that the newly designed 3 and 4 section booms on the 3614 RS and 4017 RS are placed exactly in the middle to achieve optimal load distribution. Furthermore, you can see the dependable Dana-branded axles with dual axle braking. These models can be equipped with an array of attachments, ranging from buckets, forks, and a 3.4 meter truss boom ready to satisfy your needs on the job site. Some key options that we offer are, for example, foldable rear lights, air conditioning, front and roof screen guards, and auxiliary hydraulics. Let us now move on to the lockable engine hood. Both these RS models are equipped with a dependable 75 kilowatt 3.6 litre Deutz engine. The engine width is decreased by 100 millimeters and has a diesel oxidation catalyst, which means it meets the Stage 3B standard and requires less servicing. The DOC can be found underneath the engine right here. Additionally, we have improved performance with regards to speed and power and have a newly designed engine compartment for optimal serviceability. Here you can see the big cooling package. And let me point out the great focus we have put on serviceability with access to the most important filters. For example, the oil filter is positioned down here, the air filter up here, and the fuel filter here. Moving on to the totally redesigned cab, which was raised significantly, complying with the latest EN 15830 regulations, creating class-leading visibility and ground clearance. With JLG machines, one of the key focus points is operator comfort. The new cabin is easily accessible with a two-step ingress, egress, and well-placed grab bars. Once inside the cab, we created the best seating situation with the newly developed armrest, promoting optimal driving comfort. The two-way adjustable mechanical suspension seat comes as standard in a vinyl and cloth finish. Operated from the joystick, we have the dependable Cassapa 100 litre per minute gear pump. The 3614 RS and the 4017 RS gear pumps allow for fast simultaneous raising, extending, lowering and retracting of the boom while maintaining precise control of the boom. This machine provides the hydraulic performance to help you get the job done. To the bottom left here, we see the mechanical park brake available for the 3614 RS, and we have a hydraulic park brake standard in the 4017 RS. Moving on to the transmission. With a durable 3-speed Dana transmission, it is possible to have the transmission controls integrated into the joystick or as a lever on the steering column. Together with the specially designed armrest, you will find the operator experience to be even more intuitive, responsive and comfortable. This button at the top of the joystick gives you control over the outriggers. By pressing the button and moving forward and backwards, it is very simple and straightforward to operate the outriggers. The 3614 RS and 4017 RS models also have a 10-degree frame leveling as standard. In a rental machine, every operator has to be able to find the most important functions and switches. That is why we created a functional layout of the dashboard. All rocker switches and controls are reachable from the operator seat. Furthermore, we also fitted an anti-theft function, an angle indicator on the display, and a diagnostic connection for the digital analyzer. Now let us take a look at the newly designed condenser for the air conditioning, which is mounted on the top of the cabin. Cool air is drawn in with the help of 3 ventilators from below and emitted from the top. Then when we look downward, just below the air conditioning unit we have the 180 and 190 litre hydraulic tank and 150 litre diesel fuel tank. Both are manufactured of plastic to prevent corrosion and are well protected from damage. Overall, we've managed to have a low level of electronics and exposed wiring, which means that these machines are less vulnerable to damage and have lower maintenance costs. We also offer a wide selection of pneumatic construction tires, including foam-filled tires of up to 400 mm from well-respected brands like Michelin, Mitas, Duraforce and Goodyear. The 3614 RS and 4017 RS offer a long wheelbase that provides operators with a great deal of comfort when landing loads. In addition, thanks to tight steering angles, these machines offer the tightest turning circles in the industry. To cut a long story short, we've gone into rentals with the desire of minimizing cost of ownership. The new 3614 RS and 4017 RS rental spec series of JLG has a great driving experience with excellent subtle braking, smooth driving and swift gear changing. Together with an excellent seating position, a robust build and controls, this is a great machine for a hard day's work and an effective work tool. I hope you've enjoyed this tour around the new JLG rental spec series, the 3614 RS and 4017 RS. For more information, please contact your local JLG dealer or visit us at jlg.com.